Namaskaraha. If you're born in Mesha Rashi, that is when your Chandra is in Mesha, then 2026 is not a year for haste or impulsive action. It tests your patience, emotional strength and decision making ability. With Saturn continuing in Meena, Jupiter changing signs mid-year and Rahu shifting towards the end of 2026, this year brings mixed results. Effort without quick rewards, mental strain and selective opportunities that must be handled with care. I'm Archana Murthy, a professional astrologer. Here on this channel, I focus on spreading awareness through astrology using principles rooted in classical Jyotisha. In this forecast, I will explain how these major transits influence your career, family life, health and inner balance. A classical lens. Mesha is ruled by Kuja, a graha of courage, initiative and urgency. Classical Jyotisha teaches that when Mars-ruled signs face pressure from slow-moving grahas, the real challenge is restraint and timing. For Mesha natives, 2026 is about learning when to act and when to pause. Now Saturn entered Meena on 29th March 2025 and will remain here throughout 2026. For Mesha natives, this marks the beginning of Sadesati. The first phase mainly affects the mind, emotions and sense of direction. During this period, you may feel mentally burdened, worried or anxious without clear reasons. Confused while making decisions even for routine matters, emotionally distant from family or physically away from them, unnecessary travel along with rising expenses and losses, misunderstood by people or taken advantage of if you're not careful, concerned about your image or reputation. At work, progress may feel slow and unrewarding. Your intelligence and skills may not be recognized immediately. Despite sincere hard work, results can be delayed. Strict financial planning becomes necessary. Health needs attention during this phase. Digestive and stomach related disorders can trouble you. Minor injuries. Saturn in the 12th house teaches one lesson clearly. Slow down. The more you push aggressively, the more resistance you face. If you choose patience, simplicity and discipline, this phase becomes easier to handle and deeply transformative. Now Jupiter's transit in 2026 brings emotional testing for Mesha natives. Results change after June, but the need for balance continues. Till June 2026, you may experience a drop in confidence and inner firmness, restlessness of mind and lack of peace, emotional distance from loved ones, family disputes, possibility of a change in residence. Work and finances require extra caution. Obstacles and losses are possible in business. You may need to put in double the effort for limited returns. Avoid taking on commitments you cannot realistically fulfill. Support and gains through siblings or relatives are possible. Health matters need attention during this period. Headaches, digestive issues, anxiety, fatigue and low energy. Routine blood checkups are advisable. This phase teaches patience and emotional control. Pushing beyond your limits only increases stress. After June, Jupiter's focus shifts to home, family and emotional stability. During this period, you may notice reduced peace and comfort at home, unnecessary worries and emotional disturbances, increased expenses or loss of money, displeasure from elders or superiors, misunderstandings with spouse, friends or relatives. Now Rahu's transit. Rahu plays an important role for Mesha natives in 2026. Until November, it supports courage, effort and growth. After that, its focus shifts to home and family matters, which needs careful handling. Till 25th November 2026, Rahu in Kumbha brings the most supportive phase of the year. During this period, your courage and self-confidence increases. You feel mentally stronger, more willing to face challenges. Gains are indicated through writing, communication, travel, learning and short journeys. Support from siblings becomes strong and helpful. Professionally, this is a growth-oriented phase. Income and financial stability improves. New roles, responsibilities or positions are possible. Favor from superiors and authorities is indicated. Gains may even come from unexpected sources. Use this period to build momentum, clear backlogs and strengthen your position. Now Rahu moves to Makara after 25th November 2026. Once Rahu moves into Makara, attention shifts towards home, family and emotional stability. During this phase, you may experience domestic unrest, disturbed sleep due to worries or tension, issues related to parents, home or property matters. Digestive and stomach related issues may trouble you. This phase requires calm handling of emotions and avoidance of unnecessary conflicts, especially within the home. Now for the final guidance for Mesha Rashi people for 2026. 2026 is not a year to rush. It is a year to observe, endure and refine. Saturn teaches restraint, Jupiter tests emotional stability and Rahu rewards courage, but only when applied wisely. But remember, these are general Rashi based indications. Your individual horoscope and running dashas reveal the complete picture. Always refer to your chart for clarity. Dhanyavadaha.